Kasing san hima sima ka Bharatiya Janata Party hini kasngi ka khatnre drik ulber arjar apwe kala palat pat ba yikimat treikam jong kasing ki badon khat nyau tli kimat na ka benta kani ke election banwan jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council arjar apwe the president jong kani kasing uba Ernest Mauri hak office treikam jong ka Habiba Road Shillong habaya kren bikilat pathai khobor uba Ernest ulakar pat ikpat ba jong ka Garo Hills bekinjet ik BJP hakani ka kinti khnang banyo ik jingsen shar ka bakhoi kabamdon gajingbam sap hakani ka district council
17 important points of this BJP manifesto for the GHADC election 2021. Point number 1, BJP will transform Garo Hills Autonomous Council GHADC into a territorial council with more power, more department and direct funding from the center by speeding up the amendment to the 6th schedule in the center. Point number 2, BJP will frame separate rules for the GHADC. Point number 3, BJP will abolish the non-scheduled areas and empower the traditional bodies to take up local administration, protecting the interests of the people in the scheduled areas. Point number 4, BJP will authorize the local head over the resources and mineral available in their jurisdiction. Point number 5, BJP will empower the people through local self-governance by electing local bodies at the grassroots level under the village council for mass participation in terms of development, upliftment and employment of the local. Number 6, BJP will introduce separate electoral rule in GHADC. Number 7, BJP will encourage the women of the society to take up more responsibility in the development process and in the local administration of the areas including village level institution. Number 8, BJP will introduce local administrative system under GHADC to administer the urban areas through duly elected bodies. Number 9, BJP will take up registration of birth and death and the tribal certificate of the scheduled tribe in the GHADC. Number 10, BJP will introduce online revenue collection system to enhance the working mechanism of the GHADC. Number 11, BJP will review the Garo customary law as per the need of the people. Mahari and women groups will be consulted as Garo is a matrilineal society. Number 12, BJP will take up primary education, primary health care and improve the education and health care through a local head in Garo Hills. Local language will be encouraged and studies on the 6th schedule will be included in all the syllabus. Point number 13, BJP will introduce community schools, community college and community health care center in Garo Hills through which numerous job facilities will be created for the young people. Number 14, BJP will generate employment opportunities to sustain the youth. Number 15, BJP will introduce farm, factories and industries according to the ability of their raw material, which will provide job opportunity to the people of Garo Hills. Number 16, BJP will cut down collection of taxes by the state government in the scheduled areas and minimize the share given to the state government as it has hampered the council financially. Number 17, BJP will do in-depth study on the government claim lands and return those lands which are not acquired under law. This is the 17th point in this manifesto which we have published in English and in Garo. So here we are having in Garo language also. And This manifesto will go to all the candidates in all the GC constituency in Garoes. Given chance to Congress to make the EC there in Garoes Council, and they have given a chance to NPP. So it's my sincere request to the people of Garoes, if they want to bring the transparency and free corruption EC, give us a chance. As you know, on the 24th March 2019, the Cabinet has taken a decision to strengthen this council in a northeastern state. So even there is a discussion to strengthen this council in our Tehsil Council, Joint Tehsil Council and Garoes Council also. So I request the people of Garoes to vote BJP this time, so that we will form an EC which is free from corruption and focus on the development.